marks not just another exhibit, but a renewed commitment to continue pushing boundaries, to elevate Filipino creativity, and to believe in the unshakable force of expression.
Tech63, simply lang. Yun yung pangalan ng character ko. I wanted it to be some sort of like a new birth to my work, being part of something different from what I usually do na toys. So this is a little bit more of sculpture and medyo contemporary yung dating niya. So I wanted to establish my character in its purest form, Tech63. I wanted it also to represent our graffiti art culture, which has been my home since 2012.
Title ng artwork ko, Mata sa Mata. Bali yung kung makikita niyo yung artwork ko, ano siya, mga mata na nakasilip sa tela. Bali, sinisimbolize niya yung pagiging aware sa paligid na para sa akin isa siyang essential na skill para sa mag-grow yung isang tao.
An egg apart from the dozen. So, basically ano lang siya, tungkol siya sa mga exceptional na tao, kung paano sila nag-i-stand out from the normal people. Parang ganun. Hindi lang kami something na different. May ano rin kami, kumbaga, may something din na kami na binibigay.